This is how you get rid of rats and mice in your home without spending money on an exterminator. First, take a container and add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. It serves as the main active ingredient and works after rodents consume the bait. Now add 2 tablespoons of borax. It helps boost the bait's effectiveness and encourages repeated feeding. Next, add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Its sweet taste helps attract rodents to the mixture. Then add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Its rich aroma helps rodents locate the bait more easily. Now add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Its thick, sticky consistency helps bind the ingredients together. Once the mixture is ready, put on a pair of disposable gloves. Rats and mice have an incredibly strong sense of smell. If they detect human scent on the bait, they may avoid it completely, which is why wearing gloves during preparation and placement is so important. Next, take a sheet of aluminum foil and cut out 3 square pieces. Using a cup as a mold, gently press and shape each piece of aluminum foil around the bottom of the cup to create 3 small foil dishes. You can make as many as you need. I'm using 3 as an example. With your gloves still on, divide the mixture into 3 large balls and place 1 ball into each foil dish. Place the bait along baseboards, under sinks, behind refrigerators, or anywhere you've noticed signs of rodent activity. After consumption, the active ingredients begin working from within, producing effects that can gradually reduce rodent activity in the days that follow. If you found this tip helpful, save this video so you can come back to it later.